Hi, everyone. Welcome to We Design Tech. In this video, we are going to see how to set up breadcrumbs on any page in Shopify 2.0. Breadcrumbs are used to display info about the current page. Before we start how to set up breadcrumbs, I want to let you know that for this tutorial, I used Serpy theme. You can find the links to this theme in the description below. If you like, you can buy them and use them for your own website. Okay, now let's get into the video. Log into the Shopify dashboard, choose any one of your themes and click the Customize option. Once you are in Theme Customization, on the left side, click on a Theme Settings, scroll under and navigate to Breadcrumbs option. Click on Breadcrumbs option and you will see the Use Breadcrumb option. This option is used to enable or disable breadcrumbs on the page. You can also upload a background image in breadcrumbs under here. Click the Select Image option. You can either pick the images previously uploaded or you can upload an image by clicking on the Add Image option to upload from your computer using File Explorer. But I will use the image which was uploaded previously. Now you can see, the selected image gets applied on the breadcrumbs. You can align the texts of breadcrumbs to the left, right or center position. You can increase or decrease the opacity by changing this range slider. An overlay will be added to the image. Sometimes this would be helpful to read the text if there is a dark background image. You can increase top and bottom padding of the text using these options. You can increase or decrease the bottom margin using this range slider of the margin bottom option. And that's it. You have successfully created breadcrumbs on all pages in Shopify 2.0 website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.